ladies and gentlemen, today we're on Skinclub, guys, and we got a $3.3 thousand in the balance. And before we start the video, guys, if you do wish on Skinclub, get 10% deposit bonus. All you have to do is log in my link, and after that, come to plus button, guys, and you can deposit with these methods: Visa, Mastercard, JCB, Apple Pay, Google Pay, SoFort, NeoSurf, PayPal, Papara, WhitePay, Pay by Skins, and Binance Pay, guys. And if you deposit $50, you'll get 53.5. If you deposit $100, you'll get 107. If you deposit $500, you'll get 535. And if you deposit $1,000, guys, you'll get 1,070. And level cases for start. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm 79 level as you see, and we are going to start with community case. I'm gonna start with normal mode. 5 times suck case, 5 times, actually 4 times creator peak. And guys, as 1v1v1. What is this? I don't know. Alright, this is a big start, not gonna lie. And I didn't check what's in these cases, but I'm gonna do this, guys. Let's see. Alright. Oh my god, oh my god. Rich, what the fuck are you doing, man? No fucking way, guys. No fucking way. No fucking way. Don't do that to me, man. Really, Rich fucked me so hard, and after that Yezo pulled a fucking expensive M4 A1S. Fuck you, man. What was the case, by the way? Wait a second. Creator picture and where was the case, man? 1% dream 6 now. I don't know. 50-50. Okay guys, this can give us, wait a second, 7 times would be enough. Alright, this can give us a profit. Let's see. Who is in the lead, guys? I guess you won. We didn't win. Fuck you, man. Really, fuck you. 4-way. Ben Ursus case, where are you? Ursus. Is that one? Oh, that wasn't Ursus. Okay. This is my last chance, probably, guys. I'm gonna go with that 14 fucking times. Let's go. Okay. What the fuck? 2 knife in a row. Oh my god. No way. Two cases left. Nah, we lost this too, guys. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Sometimes we can't win something. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to use my link for the post bonus right here. You can check this, guys, and goodbye.